I place my hope. Let me see you face to face. My greatest desire is to keep your word, oh Lord. I long to be in the place where you have prepared for me. Lord, you come again, take me to the Father's house. Let me be where you are, in the place you and I know. For you are the way, for you are the truth. Jesus, I will belong to you, and you'll reside within me. For you are the life, my salvation come. Jesus, I will praise your name. In your word I place my hope. Let me see you face to face. My greatest desire is to keep your word, oh Lord. I long to be in the place where you have prepared for me. Lord, you come again, take me to the Father's house. Let me be where you are, in the place you and I know. For you are the way, for you are the truth. Jesus, I will belong to you, and you'll reside within me. For you are the life, my salvation come. Jesus, I won't ever let my heart feel troubled. For God I trust, in you I place my faith. Lord, let me see your face with all my love, with all my praise. I will hold on to your commands, to show you love and to be loved by you. Now let me rise from here and make my way to you. Let me be where you are, in the place you and I know. For you are the way, for you are the truth. Jesus, I will belong to you, and you'll reside within me. For you are the life, my salvation come. Jesus, I will praise your name.
You are the Lord Creator, the great King ruling over all the earth. You are the only Savior.